Hi everyone, I'm Aaron. I just wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you to the first 100 subscribers to the channel. Your support, comments and encouragement mean the world to me, whether you've been here from the very start or whether you've just joined. It's great to have you following along in this adventure. And of course, thanks to Sarah, my wife. She's my partner in this adventure. You might spot her in some of the videos, even though she's more happy being a silent partner behind the scenes. I also want to give a special shout out to one particular subscriber who sent me a lovely email asking for my thoughts about Kotor versus Surrender. Samar, thank you so much for taking the time to write. It really made my day. I hope my advice helped you with your travel planning. For those of you that are new here, our channel is exactly what it says. Wander more, work less. We love to travel as flashpackers, discovering new places and enjoying travel without breaking the bank. We'll be sharing more walking tours, travel tips and personal insights as we continue exploring. So there's much more to come. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment and share your own travel questions and experiences. I'd love to hear from you. So once again, thank you so much for helping us reach 100 subscribers. Here's to many more adventures together. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll show you a few shots now of what's coming up. Cheers!